Hey everyone, hope you're doing well and staying safe. In this video, I'm going to be going over the retrieving of our history for the workouts. So let me begin by going to my project folder. In my project folder, like last time, we just went over the strength. Next, we're doing the CRUD, the R retrieve function of this. But before I get started, what I have to do is go into my directory. And then just going to make sure I'm in the directory, and now what I'm going to do is launch the emulator and then go on from there. So here we have our splash screen, and it's going to take us to the login screen, and it's going to give us a new quote, and it's the user. So from here, like I said last time, we have the create workout where we can come in and choose the date that we want to do the workout, the cardio, and the strength. But so let me just do January 17th, 2020. I'll do actually let me do August 17th, 2020. And I'll do a strength. We have machines. Yeah, cat. Let's do forearms. Duration 45 minutes. Resistance was 60 pounds. Reps was 25 of 5. And my calories burned, we'll say 500. The heart rate was 65 beats per minute. And press submit. So it was submitted successfully. So now that I have that stored, what I want to do is create a screen to retrieve the history, so I can look up what my workouts are, and I can just view them. So in order to do that, what I first need to do is go to my workout stack here and create a new file. In this file, I'm going to call it workouthistory.js. And for this, what I'm going to do is just do the like we always do. So import React, then use effect and use state from React. Then I'm going to import button view, safe area view, style sheet, flat list to display our items from, and then this is going to be React Native. And then what I want to do now is open the database. So I'm going to say import open database from, and it's going to be SQLite storage, React Native SQLite storage. And then I'm going to import async storage. Async storage from, and then this is going to be at React Native community async storage. So then from here, what I'm going to do is just do the React component. So I'm going to say const workout history, then it's going to be an arrow function, return. Right now I'm just going to put text and say workout history.js. And then I'm going to say const default, or yeah, const export default, and then or export default, my bad, export default workout history. And then I'm going to say const styles is equal to stylesheet.create. So now that I have this taken care of, what I need to do is go to my main, and inside of my main I just need to import this in my main.js. I'll say import workout history from, then go to my home stack, workout stack, workout history. Then in my workout stack, what I'm going to do is put a workout stack.screen name is equal to, we'll call this workout history, and the component is equal to workout history. Self-enclosed tag. So now that I have this here, what I want to do is go to my workout.js, and in my workout.js, what I need to do is get another button, like so. So in here, I'm going to have a button that's going to be a view. So in this view, I'll have a button. The color is going to be purple. The title is going to equal workout history. And the on press is going to equal a navigate function. So it's going to be navigation.navigate. And then in here, it's going to be workout history. And just like the view, I'm just going to copy the style right here, put it inside this. So then if I go back to here, now I have my workout history. Okay, so let me, oh, it's because I didn't import text. So if I go to my workout history here, I didn't import text, so let me just do a text. Let this refresh. Come here, workout history, and now I have workout history.js. Okay, so now that that works, what I need to do now is begin implementing the database stuff that we need for the retrieving from our database. So I'm going to say let error cb equal, pass in the value error, say console.log, and then in here I'm going to put SQL error, and then it's going to be plus error. Then I'm going to say let success cb equal, I'm not going to pass anything in. And I'm going to console.log. In this case, I'm going to call this workout history db opened. Let me just tidy this up a bit. So now that I have this done, I need a variable. So I'm going to say let db equal open database, and then inside of here, I'm going to pass in the name of my workout database. So name is going to be workout.db. And then I'm going to say if this is successful, give me the success. Otherwise, give me the error function. Now that that's done, I am going to be going to one screen further for the workout history. So I'm going to pass in navigation as a parameter to our component. Then I am going to be using flat list, so I'm going to say let, then I'm going to call this flat list items, set flat list items, and it's going to be equal to an array, so it's parentheses array. Then I'm going to be accessing our async function like before. So I'm going to put right underneath our variables, use effect, and then inside of here I'm just going to pass in the function name, async function call. So before I get too far ahead, let me just finish this off with the open close brackets at the end, the empty brackets at the end, so that it knows I'm not passing in anything. So for this, what I'm going to do is get a const get async data is equal to async, and it's going to be passing in an arrow function. I'm going to say try, say async storage dot get item, then I'm going to pass this in user token, and have a function errors comma result. So inside of here, what I'm going to say is if there are no errors, I'm going to console.log, then in here it's going to be user token plus result. And then I'm going to have a db.transaction. In here, I'm going to pass in tx, and then I'm going to say let SQL statement equal, and it's tilde key. And from here, I'm going to do joins from my cardio and my strength for the date that we're going to be passing in to have it return for the dates to be listed. So I'm going to say select distinct main underscore workout dot workout underscore date. Then I'm also going to have the main underscore workout dot user underscore token, and say from main underscore workout, because this is our main workout table. Then I'm going to have a left join workout underscore cardio on workout underscore cardio dot workout underscore dates, and that's going to be equal to my main underscore workout dot workout underscore date. And then I'm going to have here put an and workout underscore cardio dot user underscore token is equal to main underscore workout dot user underscore token. Then I'm going to have another left join, so say left join workout strength on workout underscore strength dot workout underscore date, and that's going to be equal to main underscore workout dot workout underscore date. And then just like before, I'm going to have an and workout underscore strength dot user underscore token is equal to main underscore workout dot workout dot user underscore token. And then I'm going to have here a where statement, and this where statement is going to be setting the main workout user token. So say main underscore workout dot user underscore token is equal to question mark. So then after this, let me just make sure I didn't misspell anything. So select distinct main underscore workout dot workout underscore date, comma space main underscore workout dot user underscore token from main workout. I have left join workout underscore cardio on workout underscore cardio dot workout date is equal to main underscore workout dot workout underscore date, and workout underscore cardio dot user token is equal to main underscore workout dot user token. And I have left join workout underscore strength on workout underscore strength dot workout date is equal to main underscore workout dot workout underscore date. So the dates are the same, and workout underscore strength dot user token is equal to main underscore workout dot user token. So yes, I don't see any misspellings. I did catch that one error right there. Cool. So now that that is done, what I want to do now is have an execute statement. So I'm say tx.execute SQL, and here I'm going to put my SQL statement. Then I'm going to pass in the variable results, which, as you can see up here, is going to be our user token. And then I'm going to pass in the have a callback function, so tx and then results. I'm going to say var let temp is equal to an empty array. Then I'm going to say for let I is equal to 0, I is less than results dot rows dot length plus plus I, and then for here I'm just going to say temp dot push results dot rows dot item sub I. And then I'm going to have here console.log temp to make sure that we have the array situated. Then I'm going to pass in my set and I'm going to pass in my the data being stored into my array. So I'm going to push it to a new array. So I'm going to say set flat list items as temp. Then I'll have this finished off, and I'll have this finished off. Then I have this right here. So then I'm going to have a catch block right here. And in my catch block, I'm going to have an error. No, just an error. And in my error, I'm going to console.log error. So if this doesn't work, it will return an error. So now if we go to our workout app, we refresh it, I believe it will show right here. So if we go to our workout, and go to workout history, and that is because we haven't called the function. So let me go inside of here, call the function. Now that we have the function called, there we go. So as you can see, we have our user token is this, and then we have our workout date, Friday, March 13th, 2020, user token, so on and so forth. So this is what our data looks like in its raw form. Now that we have our getting of the data, now we need to put them actually inside of a list to view. So I'm going to say let list view item separator is equal to, and this is going to be a functional component, say return, and I'm going to put here a view, And then I will come back to this to put a style with it, but this is going to be separating the items accordingly. And then what I'm going to do is say let list item view is equal to, going to pass an item as the variable, and then I'm going to have a variable saying let text date is equal to item dot work out underscore date dot to string. Then I'm going to have a return. So this return, I'm going to put a view. The key is going to equal item dot user underscore token because it has to be unique. And then I'll get back to the style. So then inside of here I'm going to have a button. Inside this button, the title is going to equal the text date. Then the color is going to equal salmon. Then on press is going to be equal to a function that we have to create. Yeah, it's going to, for right now I'll just get rid of this, but we're going to have this go to this specific screen later on. So once this is done, I can now come to here, get rid of this, and then I'm in here, I'm going to have a safe area view. I'm going to have a view with a button, and this is going to have a title is going to equal back, the color is going to equal purple, and then it's going to have an on press equal to navigation dot navigate dot go back. So then after we have this taken care of, I can just do that. It's the same thing. So then once that's done, I'm going to have another view. And inside this view, I'm going to have another view. And then it's going to have a flat list inside of that. Flat list where the data is equal to flat list items. The item separated component is equal to list view item separator. The key extractor is going to equal, then inside of here we're going to have the item comma index, and then it's going to have the index be turned into a toString. Then we're going to be rendering the item. So it's going to be open close braces, open close parentheses, open close braces, and pass an item. And then I'm going to pass for here the list item view of item. So that is it for the flat list view. As you will note, however, our view is empty and we have no styles. So what I'm going to do now is fix that. So, well, actually we can see right now it's just empty. Go back. Go to workout history. There's nothing here. Press go back. Oh, it's just navigation. Dot go back. That was my mistake. Let's go back. It takes me back. Okay. I apologize about that. So now for here, what I need to do is pass in the styles that we're going to be using. So say main container Inside here, I'm going to have a flex of 1, the justified content be center, and then the background color is going to be pink. And then the main container is just our safe area view. So style is equal to styles.main-container. As you can see, we have that right now. So then once we do that, next what we want to do is our secondary container. So say secondary container. In here, I'm going to have a flex be 1, have a background color be white, the align self be center, the width be 375, the margin bottom is going to be 10, and then the border radius will also be 10. And then our secondary container is going to be inside of this view right here. Style is equal to styles.secondary container, as well as it's going to be inside of this one right here. So we'll have 2. So then now that we have this, what we want to do is get the style our back button. So I'm going to say back button, and I'm going to say align self is going to be center, the margin top is going to be 15, the width is going to be 200, the height is going to be 40, and then the margin bottom is going to be 10. So then go to our back button, which we have right here, say style is equal to styles.backButton. Yeah, that looks good. Now what we want are the dates, so I'm going to put the name called button dates. Inside here, I'm going to have an aligned self be center, the margin top be 15, the width be 300, and the height be 40, and the margin bottom be 10. So then if we come up here to where we have the to have the list view item, we're going to have inside of here our style is equal to styles.buttonDates. Refresh this. So now that that is done, what we want to do is get our that should be it. Oh, that's why. So up here, I didn't put useState. That's why it's not working. Okay, so I ran into an error. It wasn't returning anything. Now it returns something because I didn't put useState. Oh my goodness, that was a mistake. So be sure you put useState here. Otherwise, you'll be troubleshooting. So now, when we click on this, nothing's going to happen, obviously, because that's a separate screen I'll implement in another video, because I try and keep these relatively short. But now that we have, so now these are all of the data that we have in our database for the cardio and strength workouts, and in the next video, what we will be doing is going over the other screen itself to view both the strength in the top and the strength at the bottom and the cardio in the top. But until then, I hope you guys enjoy, and as always, before we close this video, what we need to do is our Git Commands. So let me make sure that all this stuff closes. So then what we need is in here to do git add star. We do git commit -m quote, say added workout history, and then we're going to say git push --set -u, and then we're going to say origin master. And just like before, it's these right here. So then if we go to our GitHub website, just make sure things check out. If we go to a master, 38 seconds ago, source, home stack, workout history. And here you can see that everything that we just uploaded is available. Cool. So in the next, so as I said, in the next video, we're going to be implementing the second screen needed for the workout history. But until then, I hope you guys enjoy.